What's up sa inyo mga kaging, maraming salamat sa pagbisita. For today's episode, tayo, CPU repair. Hindi naman ito masyadong re-repairin, i-upgrade lang kasi nga medyo nababagalan si boss natin sa kanyang PC at ipapauwi niya to sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, dinala dito sa akin para nga i-upgrade itong CPU niya. Pakita natin muna yung loob. Ito yung loob ng kabuuan ng kanyang CPU. Yan, meron naman siyang video card, tapos may mga may hard disk. Ang i-upgrade lang natin dito kasi yung HDD niya 500 gig lang. Ngayon, nagpapalagay siya ng SSD na 250 gig para kanyang CPU. Ito yung binili natin na SSD na 240 gig. Parang ganoon na rin yung 256 gig. Yun, ito ilalagay natin, tapos dadagdagan natin yung memory niya kasi yung memory niya ay 4 gig lang. Dadagdagan pa natin ng dalawang 4 gig na equivalent to 8 gig. Tapos plus 4 gig na memory yung nasa loob niya. Magiging 12 gig na yung kanyang memory RAM para SSD. Yung video card, pag-iisipan pa raw ni boss kung palitan niya. Pero may naka-ready naman akong video card dito. Medyo mababa kasi yung video card niya na nasa 1 gig lang na AMD yata yun. Pero yung okay pa naman to kasi Intel Core i5 na 3rd generation yata to or 4th generation. Pero yung gagamit daw nito anak naman yata niya or bata na gusto yung mga offline game. I-upgrade na rin natin to. Yung Windows niya kasi parang ROG, parang ganun. Parang skin lang naman yon, pero i-upgrade natin sa Windows 10 Pro. Tapos pakikita ko sa inyo yung kabuuan nito pag natapos natin. Tapos install natin ng bagong Windows 10. Tapos lalagyan na rin natin ng games. Magsasample tayo ng mga ibang games na kung kaya niya naman at hindi niya na kailangan magpalit ng video card. Kung gusto niyo magpa-build ng computer or magpa-repair, bisitahin niyo lang tong FB page ko, message niyo ako dyan, or mag-comment kayo or para matugunan ko kayo kung gusto niyo magpa-build dito sa Taiwan. At pwede rin sa Pilipinas kasi may mga na-build na tayong computer na pinauwi natin sa Pilipinas. Kaya simulan natin tong pag-repair sa kanyang CPU. Hindi naman masyadong repair or upgrade pala kung tawagin. I-upgrade natin to, tapos pakikita ko sa inyo yung finished product. Let's go! Okay mga ka-GW, are back na setup na natin itong pina-upgrade sa ating CPU. Ito na ayos na natin, na lagyan na natin ng Windows. Ngayon mag-test tayo ng mga games na nilagay natin dito. Yung in-upgrade natin dito, RAM memory kasi niya ay 4 gig lang. Nagdagdag tayo ng dalawang 4 gig pa. Kaya naging total of 12 gig. Dalawang 4 gig nilagay natin na memory. Tapos, kasi yung CPU na to HDD lang na 500 gig ngayon. Nagdagdag tayo ng extra SSD na 240 gig. Yun ang mga in-upgrade natin dito sa PC na to. Pero sinabi ko kay boss na medyo mabagal ngayon. GPU niya kasi 1 gig lang na GPU to. Itong GPU, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung graphics card ni boss natin yan. AMD GPU na to. Ito yung nilagay natin. Ito yung pinalitan natin. Nagpalit tayo ng GPU na mas mataas para sa games. Ito yung nilagay natin. Ito MSI na GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Pang malakasan na to. Kasi yung ito nga ipapadala sa Pilipinas, gagamitin yata ng kanyang anak. Pinagkasya natin yung games dito sa kanyang HDD na 500 gig na napaglagay tayo ng 5 games na ilagay natin. Itong Evil West, Gear 5, Sniper Ghost Warrior 3, tapos Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, tsaka itong Crysis Remaster. Ngayon naman magte-test tayo ng mga games kung gaano nga ba kabilis itong na setup natin. Tara! Kung nais nyo palang magpa-build dito sa Taiwan o dyan sa Pilipinas, pwede nyo akong message sa aking FB page. Nagdi-deliver tayo buong Taiwan. Pa-build sa akin at magpa-repair kung sakaling kaya pa natin i-repair at pwede pa natin i-upgrade. Message nyo ako sa aking FB page, tapos comment lang kayo kung ano yung mga kailangan or gusto nyo pa-build sa akin. Pag-usapan natin yan sa comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at test na tayo ng mga games. Let's go! Okay, first game na i-test natin tong Evil West. Laruin natin kung gaano nga ba kabilis. Let's go! Ang graphics, no? Maganda yung story nito eh. Hindi ko masyado pang ano, pero
let's give it a try.
Ay, mga demons.
Amateurs.
Boom. Patay ka. Maka. Wah. Uy! May buhay pa. Lakas. Okay na to. Okay, second game tayo. Gear 5. Laruin natin Gear 5. Ganito ng graphics.
Hey, we had to get line in that box somehow, didn't we? Hang on, we'll set you down.
Maganda to pag natapos din eh.
Tell me again why you got me out of my perfectly good bed for this.
Alright, I want to upgrade our security bots for combat against the swarm. Everything you do, the sensors on your armor will... Okay, we need to calibrate those sensors. Just follow Dave. Good, now keep up with them.
Man, I could be having brunch right now.
Your waffles will be there when we're done, kid. Now, mantle up and over. Good. So, how you feeling, kid?
Okay. Okay na tong Gear 5. Next tayong game. Okay mga kanyi, ito yung third game natin. Sniper Ghost Warrior 3. Subukan natin kung mabilis nga ba.
This is it, the Russian-Ukrainian border.
Ganda rin
Not
yung
sure what I was
graphics.
expecting.
Okay na okay.
Com check. Frank, can you hear me? Over.
Loud and clear.
Ito natapos ko to. Sniper Ghost Warrior 3. May ilang na mga kwento nito.
You should have a better view from up there.
Roger that. What's that?
No fucking idea. Test site, maybe? Alright, let's have a look. Fuck, I can't see shit. We're too far. We need to find a better spot. What about over there? Cliffs on the right side of that dome. You see that?
Yeah, I see it. Not sure about the angle though.
Let's go and check it out.
Shit. Wolves. Dead. Move on.
Okay na tong Sniper Ghost Warrior 3. Pang-apat na games na tayo. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Maganda rin yung graphics nito eh. Okay, ito laruin na natin. Haba ng intro eh. Kuha daw tayo ng barrel.
Turn around and fire at the targets.
On the target.
Don't aim at the sight yet. I'm trying to make a point here. Just fire from the hip. You see what I mean? He's spraying bullets all over the damn place. You've got to pick your target. It's by aiming deliberately down your sights from a stable stance. Private Allen, show our friends here how the Rangers take down the target. Crouch first, then aim down your sights at the target.
Ano daw? See?
Private Allen, aim down your sights before engaging the target. That's all there is to it. You want your targets to go down? You gotta aim down your sight. Now if your target is behind light cover, remember that certain weapons can penetrate and hit your target. The private here will demonstrate.
Okay na tayo dito sa Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Okay, na-test na natin lahat ng games. Okay naman siya. Pakikita ko na sa inyo yung finished product natin. Let's go.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime,